Hello, Maddie. How are you doing?
Good.
Yeah?
Want me to show you?
Hey, there's Max.
Jump I can do?
Sure. Wow. You want your poodles?
Yeah! Okay, thanks. Look at Max.
Hey, there's Max. He's playing with the tennis ball.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, what? Oh, you put it right down there next to your shoes. Right there.
Here.
No, put it next to your
For you.
shoes. I don't want it.
For
No, it's okay. I already got a baseball cap inside the house. Thanks.
Okay. I choose that at Disneyland.
You did?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Ariel flounder and a pin that says princess.
Really?
See?
I see the princess pin. Is that it right there?
Yep.
How do you know it says princess? Can you sound it out for the camera?
It's P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S.
Now, how do you sound that out?
Princess.
Very good.
Yes, there's some more curious jumps I can do.
Yeah, safety first though. You got to make sure you get the net closed, right?
Yep.
All right, let's see those big feet jump.
Want to see this?
Wow, you're an animal.
I'm a kangaroo.
Something like that.
I'll show you how a kangaroo jumps.
Is that how a kangaroo jumps?
Yeah, it always has its arms like this.
Okay.
The really hard part makes me jump really high.
Yeah? Oh, wow. Be careful.
And even this one.
Wow. You know who we'll have to send this to? Your cousins up in Montana. Do you want to say hi to them?
Hi.
What are their names?
Hi, Lucy. Hi, Kaylee. Hi, Ron.
There's two more. What are their names?
Oh, I don't know this.
Why don't you know their names? 'Cause why? What about the two boy cousins? What about the two boy cousins?
Dad.
Their name is Peter and Sam, huh?
Yeah. And watch this.
Make sure you say hi to them real quick. Say hi, Peter.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Sam.
Say hi, Aunt Jenny.
Hi, Aunt Jenny.
And hi, Uncle Tracy.
Hi, Uncle Tracy.
See you guys later.
No, I don't want.
You don't want to see them later? We're going to go up there for Peter's wedding in June.
Will I see my cousin Lucy?
Yeah. Say see you later. Okay, I'll say it for you. Bye.
No,
Yes.
don't go.
I got to shut this off.
Okay.
Hasta luego.